Instructors often ask, how do I manage my Canvas dashboard? Let's learn how to remove and add course cards to the Canvas dashboard. Let's go to the Canvas login page. Click on the Canvas login button and enter your WebExpress login and password, and then click on Sign In. Your active course cards will load into your Canvas dashboard. Click on the red global navigation area onto Courses and All Courses in order to remove a course card from your dashboard. Locate the course you want to remove from the dashboard and click on the orange star until it turns white. This will remove it from the dashboard area. If you want to add a course back to your dashboard, once again, click on the Global Navigation Courses area. Click on All Courses. Find the course that you want to add to your dashboard. Click on the white star to the left of the course title. You may have to refresh your browser. Click on your dashboard and the course card will show back up on your dashboard area. Now, if you don't like where it actually locates the course card, you can reorganize it by simply clicking and dragging it to the location you desire. Congratulations, your Canvas dashboard is all neat and tidy and customized just how you like it. Thank you for listening.